Okay, good morning. I am at 17 Copperfield Drive in Trenton, New Jersey. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, about 1,500 square foot house. I'm going to do a virtual showing. So let's get started. I'm going to wear my mask just to be kind of responsible. So hopefully it doesn't sound like crap, but if it does, I might just put music over the video. Here's the front of the house, neighborhood. At any point you can stop and scroll around through my pictures. I'll also I'll kind of pause in each room so you can see. This is the living room / dining room, kitchen, nice open concept, stainless steel appliances, nice cabinets. Gonna head up the steps. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Actually thought this was the master, but it's not. This would be the master bedroom. Big closets. New flooring, new carpets. And this is the 3rd bedroom, which is the smallest, being used as an office. It's the bathroom. Tile floor. Very nice. We can head back downstairs. Then here we have the 2nd family room or the den. There's a fireplace. Closets for extra storage. Pergo flooring. And the 4th bedroom. Here's the laundry. And the 2nd bathroom, which is the half bath. Close the door. I'm going to head down to the basement before we go in the backyard. Large basement, utilities are down here. Set up for a gym right now. Central air, gas heating. In the backyard, paver patio. Nice shed. Big enough to be useful, but it's not a crazy backyard that you need to take care of all the time. It's good size. And that's the house. Now that I'm outside, I'm going to take this thing off. If you have any questions, give me a call. And thank you.